Hi guys, I'm here with a question that is related to container technology. According to this question, create a container using the information given in the file on node 1 or VM1. It could be server A, it could be any name, and as a user Mike. And you in the real-time exam scenario, it could be different user. The In the exam you will be given a file, okay, and you will have to download that file using wget command and using URL which will be given to you. Okay, once that is downloaded, you do not have to make any change to that file. So this is what you have to remember. And how you will do in your uh, own practice, and I'm gonna show you. So first of all, you will check if the user is available. In our case, it's Mike, right? So I have already created this user and assigned password to this user. And remember that if you needed to uh, create this user in the exam, they will provide you his password. Okay. So one more thing, guys, you have to remember that you do not have to switch this user to using su space hyphen and space this username, because if you do that, most likely that the command Poutman will not work properly. So better suggestion is you SSH to this user. Uh, no problem if it is even local, you have to SSH it so that you could work. And uh, in my case, I do not have host name set up here, so I'm just gonna use its IP. So its IP is this one, and I'm going to use this IP to SSH to this user. So SSH my mic at, and then I'll put this IP, which is 1.1.11. And as I know its password, so I'm already here. Let me clear it. And next, what you have to do, you have to run this command, because you have to pull the image, right, from the registry server. But in the exam you will be given that file which has all the parameters. You will not have to do anything, you only have to utilize that file to pull the image and build the container. But in our case we do not have uh, that file, and that is why we needed to create this file at our own. So I'm going to show you what you have to do. You just go and run this command and go to the VM editor, and then you have to put this line here. I'm going to tell you what is this, and just paste it. And this is a word, from. You can see that it's in capital letters, and this is a just like a keyword, so you do not have to write this from using small letters, so it should remain here uh, in the capital letter. So next thing is the path of the registry server, and last thing is the version of the Apache server. Okay, nothing else. You just put this line here and save it. And once it's saved, in the exam you just can cat it, but you do not have to make any change. There is no requirement to cat it, just in case if you want to see what's inside, you only have to cat it, and you will see some contents inside, some parameters, some will be given there. So once it's done, you have to run this command to build this image. So this is the command, and you have to run this command so that you you could build an image. And here is a podman build space hyphen t, type is mean type is image, and dot mean is current working directory. Okay, so file is also in the current working directory, so you have to put dot here. Once you hit this command, it will start building its image, and once it's completed, I'll show you that image will be there. Just wait. Yes, it's done. And run this command, you will see image is here, right? This is the image which has been built successfully. And I just gonna take you to my notepad, and what you have, I just want to revise the step which you have to do in your real-time exam scenario. First of all, you have to SSH to the user, which the user will be given in the exam, and server name will also be given. You can either use host name, or you can use its IP. And you, if you just run the command if config or IP space a, or adder, or IP address, but whichever command you wanna use to see the IP, you can use IP or host name. So first SSH to the user, not SU space hyphen space username. Okay, remember it. And then you have to wget and use the given URL to download that file. Once file is there, you just check it, it's there, cat it if you want. And it's not necessary, but if you want, you can cat it and see the contents, what's inside the file. And then you have to run this command to build the image, and which I have just shown you. And then after that, you just run this command, podman images, you will see that image will be there. Last command is not necessary, but if you run, if you see something, it's okay. If you don't see, no worries. Just leave it as it is. Okay, this was all about this question. And I'll see you in the next question. And bye.